How's your flap setting?
Final flaps.
Remember, final approach, final flaps. 75. Speed slow, lower the nose. Lower the nose. Alright, full power. Your eyes to the end. Still too high to flare, still too high to flare. Now flare. Right there, just hold it. A little more, now pull more. Good, that was better. Good, good, good.
Flaps up. Carb heat in.
Keep us on the center line. That power all the way in? Oh, always do full power. That feel a little better?
Yes.
Good. It's all about that view out the window when you go to touchdown.
Cherokee 086 Kilo, Cessna traffic upwind is remaining in left closed
And
traffic.
you're starting to turn right, so
Runway
make sure
1
you
at
track
Delta,
out.
cleared for takeoff. Right turnout departure approved to the south
You want to be
via
heading
the
about 10 degrees, so about 20
shoreline
degrees
of the
left.
river, the east shoreline.
Clear for takeoff, runway 1, and that's a right turnout along the shoreline, 8086 Kilo.
There you go.
Thank you, through the eastern side of the shoreline. Thanks.
$700 feet, making my turn.
Yep. Nice.
Turning downwind. Yeah, that wasn't a perfect square.
Yeah, you're overturning the crosswind. You're not stopping the crosswind turn soon enough, but yep, you recognized it, so that's good. Just adjust next time.
Halfway up the strut. Lower a little bit.
What power setting you want?
1900.
I think you had it. I think you were doing something else and you pushed your hand in a little bit. And you want 19, so just a little bit more. And then don't lower your nose, you're descending.
Okay, right about here. Once I beam the numbers, carb heat. RPM is 1500. Carb heat. RPM is 1500.
And you do have to kind of hold a little back pressure when you pull the power, so you don't start descending. See how you're descending?
Yeah.
So just kind of hold that back so you're not descending, and that allows your airspeed to drop. Good. And then as soon as you bring the flaps in, feel the pressure and kind of let go of the, don't hold any more back.
All right.
And then you go lower nose because you're down to 80 now.
Okay.
Just want to pitch for 90.
Pitch for 90. Taking final turn. Turning for final.
Base.
Turn for base. Make sure there's no traffic. Runway 1, see it. Second degree of flaps.
.813's left base for 1.
Cherokee 86 Kilo tower.
8086 Kilo.
Yes, sir. Could you estimate the cloud layer base up there?
Watch your speed.
Yeah, affirmative. We're going to estimate just about 2,500.
Thank you. Cessna 813, runway 1, clear for the option. Report west of beam the numbers each pass.
All right, clear for the option runway 1. We'll report beam the numbers each pass, 813.
Final flaps.
Okay.
Pulling power.
Let the nose down, actually, but don't get too slow. Best lined up with the runway with the rudders. Ailerons left and right. Best coming down, don't pull yet. Too low, too high to pull, now pull. Power all the way out, and then pull up more. Pull, 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 pull. Yep, just pull a little more. That was better.
Flaps up.
Okay.
Carb heat in. Full power.
Cherokee 86 Kilo, thank you, sir. Frequency change approved and on course is approved, no restrictions. Flight following if you need, it's 119.75. Good day.
Appreciate the help. 806 Kilo, thank you.
Get that nice 84 knot climb. There you go, good.
Wilmington Tower 806 Kilo, cloud faces are definitely 2,000 feet.
They're definitely at 2,000, thank you.
Turning crosswind.
Okay. That's better?
That was
Much
better. Yeah,
Yep.
I saw that. That was a lot better.
Yeah, it was.
All right, now turning downwind.
And just trim for level of flight if your trim's a little off. Make sure you don't descend.
Seatbelts. Fuel selector on both. Brake pressure correct. Thanks for flying DeLorean Air. Right about there, level flight. We have to announce our beam the numbers.
Let's just go ahead and make the call, get that done.
Wilmington Tower, Skyhawk 19813. We are at a beam the numbers for runway 1.
Skyhawk 813, roger. Runway 1, clear for the option.
Clear for the option. Skyhawk 19813 for one-way run.